Thursday, March the 26th, 2009. I posted, and by the way, today is September the 22nd, 2023. So quite a distance has come a long way. Anachronism number 908. Mark this. Sneezing into the crook of my arm, I accidentally skip a stanza. So I come here to edit an ahistorical moment. A repetition, sure, with disregard to intellect. And as such, I backtrack. Sure, I mimic to swoon with relevance. At home, doing 1,000 things at once, eating all the grapes, mark this. The fairy building, a summer escape, and the definition of quagmire. And furthermore, I get away with it. Eating grapes, a stale cashew, skip stanza, mark this.